Did you know that on Ancestry you can check to see if a tree owner is a DNA match or manages the kit for a DNA match? So let's say you're checking out a tree on Ancestry and you find a promising lead and wonder if the tree owner happens to be a DNA match. Simply click on the tree owner's name and it will bring you to their Ancestry profile. If you match the tree owner, you'll get a big graphic that pretty much shouts at you that you match this person. It even provides suspected relationship range and the shared DNA information. Now, if the tree owner is also managing other DNA kits and you match one of those, you'll see that underneath. So you can see here that I match the tree owner and two other people. Now you can get to the tree owner's DNA profile by simply clicking on this graphic. And voila, now you can view the DNA match without having to search through your list of DNA matches. So let's go back to that Ancestry profile again. To access any of the managed DNA profiles, just click on the one of interest and then click on the link in the pop-up here. If you manage more than one DNA kit, you can choose which one you want to compare against this profile. So here at the top, you can click on this DNA Relationship To button and choose the appropriate profile from the drop-down menu. In this case, I chose my mom's profile, and it says that they are either not a match or the person has not tested. Now, since I match this person and I know they have indeed tested, I can reasonably assume that this person is probably related to me on my dad's side. And as a side note, she is indeed my second cousin twice removed on my dad's side and has shared some wonderful information with me over the years. So there you have it. The next time you run across an ancestry tree of interest, head to the tree owner's profile and see if they match any of your applicable DNA kits that you manage.